make a new project, then go to video, select the video on which you want to apply the text, suppose this one, then press on add. Now go to text, add text, let's insert the text, tab, hold, drag to increase the text size, style, text color, black, stroke, white, stroke thickness is totally up to you. Then check it, zoom out in the timeline by pinch out, select the text, give it same length as our video. Now move to the start of the video, tab on plus, stock video, choose the black one, then add. Move the text, tab and hold, delete our footage, select the black one, give it same size as our text, scale up the black video to cover entire screen, so pinch out to scale. Then when you are done, just export the video. Done. Open a new project, select the footage, add. Now select overlay, add overlay, add the exported video, add. Let's scale it up a little bit. Now go to blend. Now we can have lot of cool effects, like if we choose lighten, we have only the text stroke. If we select soft, semi-transparent dark vibe, now if we choose darken, see, transparent text. So guys, that's how easily we can apply a stroke or outline text effect in CapCut. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.